So welcome back, guys. In this video, this is a new video, my breakdown analysis on EURUSD, gold and oil for tomorrow, for Tuesday. So let's jump into this video. So during the previous video that I posted, I'm going to check out the video. So look at how the video played out, the analysis played out. So it's my take profit here. So let's talk about EURUSD analysis. So let's look at the dollar index. So the dollar have been pretty bullish. Let's go to the daily time frame. The dollar have been bullish since 19th of July, and they are expecting the dollar to go to even be more bullish and be more bullish because of some of the economic data that have been released, like interest rates, inflation rates are all being checked, and it's been very okay for the dollar. That's why the dollar index is getting stronger and stronger. So if the dollar becomes very strong, we expect EURUSD to be bullish, pounds to USD to be bullish, and gold to be bullish. And also this stuff. Now let's go to the Nasdaq. So wait. If the dollar is bullish, we also expect US 30 and Nasdaq to be bearish too. So let's jump in back to EURUSD now. Let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Now EURUSD have broken my sell side liquidity. Let me zoom in. What the fuck is that going, man? So EURUSD have broken my sell side liquidity, creating a order block and a fair value gap. Let me map out the fair value gap here. So look at the fair value gap here. So I'm expecting price to fill this order block before pushing down lower. So I've already placed my sell limit. Okay, to be transparent, this is my demo account, and it's a 50k demo account. I'm already up 12%. Yeah, 12% of the account. So based on my analysis, we expect price to fill in here and pump up and pump down on EURUSD. Let's check the same too in pounds. So we expect price to pull back here. Let me draw the order block very well to pull back to this order block. Pull back here, expecting price to come back here and shoot downwards. And shoot downwards. So that's what I'm expecting price to happen tomorrow. Because why am I expecting this? Based on the strength of the dollar index. The dollar has been significantly strong, getting stronger and stronger. So, and tomorrow there's a job job openings, forgotten about the name, job openings, some stuff. So if the numbers that come out is very great for the dollar, we're expecting price like the dollars to be bullish this week. So let's look at the oil. So on Wednesday there's an OPEC news, and remember that Saudi Arabia and Russia have already cut out supply of oil to European countries and United States. So, and if you look at this, oil has been pretty bullish. Let me go to the weekly time here. Oil have been bullish, like very bullish. Yeah, oil have been very bullish. And we are currently on this is actually the all-time high for the year. So if Saudi Arabia and Russia keeps on cutting supply of this stuff of oil to United States and the European countries, so this significantly fundamentally, when there's high demand and low supply, that actually signifies that price is going to push up higher, or there will be a hike in the price of crude oil. So I'm expecting price to come here. Wait, excuse me. Let me redraw this. So I'm expecting price to pull down here, break here before the massive push up. Maybe I'm expecting to target oil price here. Maybe we are going to return back to the all-time high. So I have a great news now for those looking for a reliable and trustworthy prop firm to trade on. I introduce my funded FX. Click on the link below to get an evaluation account. And also, if you want to join my free Telegram group, my free Telegram channel, the link is also on my bio. So don't forget to subscribe and also like. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. And also, peace out. Wish you a wonderful trade for this week.